Molly, what is your favourite song?
Fine Line by Harry Styles.
Such a song, actually. It's a really good one. Olivia, who is your favourite music artist or band?
The moment, Jimi Hendrix.
Jimi Hendrix?
Mm-hmm.
Nice one. Good choice. Alright, Ribbon, what do you find is the most annoying song in the world?
Wonderwall.
Wonderwall?
I mean, it's not bad. It's just the most overplayed song.
It is most overplayed.
It is the most overplayed.
Is it the most annoying though?
Yes.
No.
Yeah, because it's overplayed so much.
No, I'd agree with Ruben.
It's Oasis.
100%.
No, it's annoying.
What's that one Tones and Ice song? Dance
Oh,
Monkey.
dance. Yeah, that's.
Oh, actually, that is
That
bad.
whole
It's
album's
up there.
awful. Yeah, but
No, that one in particular, it's up there.
Do you not think Says Long wet like?
On the chaise long, on the chaise long, on the chaise long, all day long, on the chaise long. On the chaise long, on the chaise long, on the chaise long, all day long, on the chaise long. On the chaise long, on the chaise long, on the chaise long, all day long, on the chaise long. On the chaise long, on the chaise long, on the chaise long, all day long, on the chaise long.
Never heard of it.
Neve, if you were to do a duet with any singer, who would it be?
That's a really interesting question. Oh my god, it's such a hard one though at the same time.
It is. That's
There's
why
a
I
lot
asked
of
it.
good ones, but I'd probably go with Demi Lovato for like a most you go with the female because like she's one of my favorite like songwriter artists. I like her style. She's very rebellious, I think, but that's just me.
You're rebellious.
Sometimes. I'm also not sure if I do it with male because like
Because men are bad.
no, they're
Death to all
not bad.
men.
It's just
Or a
if I do it
band.
with a guy or a band, I might go with the script for a band.
Yeah,
'cause,
oh, they're amazing.
Yeah,
They're amazing.
They're amazing. If it was a male, I definitely do it with David Guetta.
And when he sings,
Yeah.
does he sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know David Guetta sings. Like that's insane.
Okay, cool.
Hello.
Who is the funniest music artist of all time?
Whoa.
Ian McCara.
Funny. Who makes me laugh when I listen to them?
Well, maybe not when listening to their song, but that might be bad. But like, just like personality-wise,
Personality-wise?
or just whatever.
I'd say David England.
David England.
Yeah. Solo, not disorder. David England solo.
Nice. Okay. Cool. Finn, what song every time you listen to, you have a good cry?
A good cry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
I have a few in mind for me.
Oh, he's digging by Madam's Lost Discovery.
Yeah? Cool. Nice one. Josh, who do you think is the best producer?
Well, in terms of the world,
Yes.
Timbaland's the best producer in the world
Why do you think that?
because of he's just the way he mixes his sounds together and the way he programs his drums is just different than any other producer I've ever heard in my life.
Fair enough.
It's different.
Baby, you're looking fire hot. I have you open all night like your IHOP. I'll take you home, baby, let you keep me company. You give me some of you, I give you some of me.
What is the grooviest bass line ever?
Well, I can't say ever, like, but right now it's gotta be Watermelon Man by Herbie Hancock.
What is your favorite guitar solo, or what is the best guitar solo?
Time by Pink Floyd.
Nice.
I really like when they played the guitar in that one, on the solo.
Nice. Let's cut to it now. Matthew, Rolling Stones or Beatles?
Rolling Stones.
Oasis or Blur?
Blur.
And Red Hot Chili Peppers or Arctic Monkeys?
Arctic Monkeys.
Okay, cool. Oh yes, it is awkward time.